she can be an efficacious instrumentality or an acetaminophen to situational new ultramicroscopic silicocanoniosis.
Did you inquire about her occupation? Relationship and grammar, they no dey mix together at all. Make I just tell you, you go hear words.
We're going on that lunch date, whether you like it or not.
Let me say. Faxyman, in precision and explicit, because of our vehement synergy and rapport, I felt it is circumspect to vent that I saw one vivacious lady, and when I engage in an interlocutor tete-a-tete, a curero and colloquy with the girl, I discovered that she is intellectual highbrow, high profile, and high prowess. That even she can be an efficacious instrumentality or an acetaminophen to situational new ultramicroscopic silicocanoniosis.
Prof, did you inquire about her occupation? Relationship and grammar, they no dey mix together at all. Make I just tell you, you go hear words.
Faxyman, does that really matter?
Yes, it matters. So, before asking her name, you should first ask her means of survival. If her means of survival is ascertained, then you cannot ask her name.
Let me say.
That's the way it works.
Why do I have to do that?
Because you need a woman who is credit worthy. A woman who can give you 50,000 naira when it matters the most. And you won't die for this Lagos before your time.
I know, God forbid.
Kule work. That's what I'm saying now.
Prof, I've been trying to reach you. What's going on? Let's go out for our lunch date. Let's go.
Okay. Please, it is pertinent to ask, what do you do for a living?
I don't understand. What kind of question is that?
It is very, very necessary I find out what do you do for a living, because if I didn't get that inquiry, we are not going anywhere for a date.
Who brainwashed you?
God have mercy upon us.
I'm a saleswoman.
Saleswoman? Kole work.
I don't understand.
You are not credit worthy. Faxyman, please, let's be going.
What's the meaning of that? Now you won't talk up with this, so carry with you starts.
We are going on that lunch date, whether you like it or not.
Let me say. Faxyman, you are going. Please come on. You are the one who instigated this mess. Please come and clear this mess.
Whether you like it or not, we are going on that lunch date. Period.
Please, I'm very sorry. I didn't really mean to put you in a state of hoga-moga, or to put you in a state of emotional shackles, shackles, manacles. Pligidi.
Faxyman, so now go hear word.